hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. La 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 la. Woohoo! Okay, hello, how are you? I hope everything is fine, and I'm very glad to see you again today. And in my video today, I will show you how we can create a multi-axis surface toolpath very quickly, very simply, and very powerful. So at first, you can take a look on the screen. I have a sample part here. You can see that's a mold for a cell phone case. You can see that. You can recognize that this mold is very tall, very high. It had a steep surface here, and if you want to machine this steep surface, you need to use a very long tool to cut to the bottom of the mold. So when you use the long tool, that can cause a lot of vibration, and is you cannot get it's hard to get a, a good surface finish. So the solution here is you should bring this mold onto a multi-axis machine and use multi-axis toolpath to machine the surface. Okay, use a sock tool with a multi-axis toolpath. Okay, and that's the solution. But when first time I look at this mold, oh, I'm just new to multi-axis. I just learned multi-axis toolpath a few days, a few months, and I have no experience with complex surface like this. And I don't know what's the multi-axis toolpath I should use for this mold. And oh, then the multi-axis toolpath is very complex. It set a lot of parameters that I don't understand what does mean, what this parameter mean, what that parameter mean, and it set a lot of difficulty in tool axis control. So some days ago, I have a friend, and he showed me a very interesting way that I can use to create the multi-axis toolpath on complex surface. Okay, and today I want to show you. Okay, you can see this is the mold. Okay, and before you begin, you need to select the right machine. If you need to select a multi-axis machine to do this, to do the trick, because if you select a 3-axis machine, this will not work. Okay, so we're gonna click on the file button here and reselect the machine. Okay, I can select a Mil 5-axis or the Mil D4. The Mil D4 is a machine that supports multi-axis. Yes, you can select the Mil D4. Okay, so now you get the right machine, and the next step. Oh, before we move forward, I want to talk about the multi-axis. Mastercam provide you a multi-axis toolpath that called in the application you can find the 3-axis toolpath here, but I have tried sometime and I feel it's very confusing because um, the calculation time is very long, and my computer um, many times is crashed during the calculation. So I don't think it's a good way to use the 3 to 5 axis application here if you don't have a powerful computer, because it takes a lot of time to calculate, and sometimes I feel the result is not good. Yeah, and you have to define the tool axis control here. Yeah, but yes, the main problem is the calculation time is very long, especially with the complex surface like this. So we have another way, a more simple way to do the job. Okay, at first I will create a multi-axis toolpath. For example, we have this pocket already rough machine, so we need to do a finish toolpath. So we go to the finishing and I select the hybrid. Okay, the hybrid toolpath is very suitable for this part because it have the shallow surface and the steep surface. Okay, and then we can, oh sorry, before I create a toolpath, I need to patch some hole here. We have some deep groove here. I want to cover, to create some surface to cover this groove. So we can go to the surface and we click on the fill hole. This is a simple way to patch hole on the part. Okay, you can select fill all internal holes, or you can fill a hole one by one. You can fill the hole or a groove or gap on our surface. Okay, for example, I will click on this surface and I move around to the edge I want to fill. For example, this one. Thing, yeah. Again, click on the surface and move around to the surface you want to patch. Okay, yes, like this. And we do the same for the right side. Click on the surface and move around, move to the edge we want to fill. Ping, yeah. Okay. I also want to fill this hole also. I can click on the fill all internal holes and click on the surface. Yes. So we have already fill all holes and gap on the surface because we don't want the tool to plunge into this hole. Okay. Okay. The next step we are gonna create a toolpath. We click on the toolpath here and I select the hybrid toolpath. The hybrid toolpath is a combination of the shallow toolpath and the waterline toolpath. Is work on a part which have both the shallow and the steep area. Yes. Now I can select the surface I want to machine and I select the containment here. Activate the solid selection and I select the glove here. Point to an edge. Okay. So we have the surface and the containment. So the tool is just machine this surface in this containment. Okay. Ding. Alright, wait a minute. Okay, and we got the tool pad here. We select the tool. You can see I have the 6mm ball and mill, which the overall length is only 20mm. Okay. I want to use a saw tool and the holder. Okay. I have a spring fit holder here. Okay, for the stock to lift. For example, I want to cut into the part 0.2mm. Okay, and the cut parameter you can select to uh, to save our calculation time. We can input a quite large value here. Yes. Okay. And in this video, I don't want to talk about how to use the hybrid toolpath. I just want to show you how to convert the 3D toolpath into a 5-axis toolpath in a quickly way. Yeah, I don't want to talk about detail about how to use the 3-axis surface toolpath. Okay, and the tool containment, you want the tool is go outside containment and then click Okay, before I show you the multi-axis option, I want to show you what happens if we don't use that option. You can see that the holder will collide with the part because the tool is too soft. Yeah, and if we don't tilt the tool axis, the holder will collide with the tool with the part. Okay, you can wait a little bit for Mastercam to calculate the toolpath. Okay, and the calculation has done. Now we will verify. We will backlog the toolpath. You can see this is the hybrid toolpath, very smooth, right? This is the hybrid toolpath. You can see what? Because the tool is too soft and we don't tilt the tool and the tool axis, so the holder will collide with the part here. Yeah, we cannot use this toolpath, and we do the quick verify here. I'm gonna click on the verify option. My computer is quite slow. Okay, for example, this is our stock, and this is the toolpath. Wow, it's too slow. Okay. We have no problem on the top of the mold, but when the tool go down, because the tool is too soft, you can easily see that the the holder will collide with the part here. Yeah, it's about to cross. Okay, no problem here, right? Oh, I want to say thanks for all of you who support in my channel and my video, and I have a special thank to some of my friends that sent me some book or to buy me some beer, and I'm very appreciated. Yeah, I'm very glad to know that my video can help you a lot in your work in your job, and it can help you to earn more money. Yes. Okay, you can see that because the tool is too soft and the holder is collide with the part here, and you can see in the red area the holder is collide with the part, and when the tool go deeply here we have a lot of collision, so this not it cannot be used anymore. Okay, so we cannot use this tool path because it causes a lot of collision because the tool is too soft and we don't use the tool, we don't tilt the tool axis. You see that? So the trick is here. Okay, we gonna click on the parameter here, and in the holder section you can see we have the collision checking here, and we check it on this box, And we have two options. The first option, Mastercam will trim to avoid guff. That means when Mastercam see that the toolpath has some guff, Mastercam will delete the toolpath, the section of the toolpath. And if you don't want to trim your toolpath, you want to keep the the to keep all of the toolpath, you should click onto the second option here to bring your toolpath into the multi-action. Okay, and you can click on the tilt to avoid guff. Mastercam will automatically tilt the tool axis to avoid um, collision of the holder and the part. So you can see here we have the max tilt angle. We can, for example, I can input 45 degree. That's the maximum angle the tool axis can be tilted. Okay, and here next you can input the sand clearance. Yes, that is safety distance from the sand profile here to the part and to the check surface. You can click on this button to select more check surface. Okay, for example, I want the sand clearance is 1 millimeter and the holder clearance is 1 millimeter also. Okay, you can click on this option to activate the clearance on the bottom of the holder. Okay, yes, that's all we need for a multi-axis toolpath, and we don't it doesn't take so much time on define the tool axis, because sometimes define a tool axis is very complex, especially for some people just begin to learn multi-axis like me and you. Okay, yes, that's all, and we're gonna click on the OK button. Then we regenerate the toolpath and wait. Okay, I will pause the video and wait for the Mastercam to calculate the new toolpath. Okay, while we are waiting for the toolpath being calculated, I will talk something about the hybrid toolpath. You can see I use the Surface High Speed toolpath. The high speed, the hybrid toolpath is yeah, a combination of the shallow toolpath and the scallop toolpath and the waterline toolpath. And on the shallow area here, like this on the top, you will have a scallop type the toolpath, and when the tool go to the steep area here, you will get the waterline style toolpath. Yeah, that's the hybrid. Hybrid is the combination of the scallop and the waterline. Okay, so you don't have to think much about how to select a good toolpath for a surface like this. Just select the hybrid, and Mastercam will do it automatically. Very simple. Okay, yeah, it's take a little time to calculate, and you need to wait. But I think this is the most simplest way to do surface multi-axis toolpath. Yes, and very powerful. You can see the toolpath look very nice. The only thing we just do is waiting. Okay. It take around 1 or 2 minutes to calculate. Okay, and it's done calculating. Okay, you can do a verification. Alright, you can see that our tool is tilted, and you can see the clearance between the holder and the part we have set about 1 millimeter. So by using this option, you have a very beautiful toolpath and very quickly to create. Yes, how cool is it, and how simple. You can see even if you go to the bottom of the mold, the tool has tilted far away from the part, and we can do a verification. Ding 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 ding. Boom, 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 boom. Go, 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 go. Alright. Hide the workpiece. Okay. Alright. The tool begin to tilt. As you can see, the tool it tilt. It tilt. Alright. So you can see no collision. Very beautiful toolpath with the simple tool axis control. Yeah, no need to worry about it. I think this is a very good way for people who just study multi-axis, because I'm I'm also just study multi-axis, and sometimes uh, many multi-axis toolpath is very difficult, and yes they are crazy. So I'm very glad and very happy when I know Mastercam have some simple uh, option to create a multi-axis toolpath like this. I should have known it sooner. Okay, you can see no collision. Yeah, the maximum tilt angle we have set uh, 45 degree. And to the steep area here, the tool will tilt, yeah, to the maximum value. You can see when the tool reach to the bottom of the mold, there's still no collision occur. Before made in Vietnam. Okay. So no collision. Yes, no collision report. So that's all for today. I hope this video can have you some time. Okay, and thanks for watching, and goodbye for now. Thank you.